Here we have integration sine square x from minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. Basically, this minus pi by 4 and plus pi by 4 is called symmetric limit. तो symmetric limit होय तो आपण function ने check करता था. So in this case, your function is sine square x, and to check odd or even, we have to find out f of minus x. So here we'll get sine minus x the whole square. Due to this square, we will get original function back. That means your function will be even function, right? And for even function, we can say we will get 2 times integration 0 to pi by 4 sine square x. Now, to integrate sine square x, we have to convert into 1 minus cos double the angle whole divided by 2. This 2 will cancel out. Now we can integrate. Integration of 1 will be x, and integration of cos 2x will be sine 2x divided by coefficient of x, which is 2. Limit is from 0 to pi by 4. Now substitute upper limit. So we will get pi by 4 minus sine 2 times pi by 4, or we can say pi by 2 whole divided by 2. And if we substitute your lower limit, which is 0, we will get 0. So pi by 4 minus sine pi by 2 is 1, so sine pi by 4 minus 1 by 2, which is given in option B. Ta-da! Karekaram, one of my favorite question. Here we have to integrate cos 3x upon sin x. Basically integration में क्या हुआ है, angles सरखा होवा चाहिए, और अलग अलग होए तो ना चले. That means we have to simplify this cos 3x. Expansion of cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus cos x whole divided by sin x will be as it is. Now from numerator we can take cos x common, so remaining terms will be 4 cos square x minus 3 whole divided by sin x dot dx. Now this cos x dot dx suggests that we have to assume sin x equal to t, but we should get function of sin x. The problem is this cos square x. Simplify this cos square x in terms of sin x by converting into 1 minus sin square x. Rest of the function is already in terms of sine, so we don't have to worry about it. So we are ready to assume sin x is equal to t. Differentiate both the side, we will get cos x dx as your dt. So your I will be 4 minus 4 sin square x, or we can say it will become 4t square minus 3 whole divided by t, and cos x dx will become dt. Now as we plan, 4 minus 3 will be 1 and give individual denominator, and your second term is 4t square whole divided by t. Now we are ready for integration. Integration of 1 upon t will be log t, and for 1 power of t will be cancelled out. Integration of t will be t square by 2 plus c. Just substitute the value. Your t is simply sin x. So here 2 2s are 4, so we'll get 2 sin square x. But this is the answer of integration. We need to get in this term, or we can say we need cos 2x and log sin x. We already have log sin x, we just need cos 2x, and for that we have to convert this sin square x. So let's say log sin x will be as it is, and sin square x will become 1 minus cos 2x whole divided by 2. plus c. Okay, so again this 2 will cancel out and we will get log sin x, open the bracket, we will get minus 1 plus cos 2x plus c. Now let's rearrange the term. Let's say we have cos 2x plus log sin x, and this minus 1 plus c, constant plus constant will become another constant, right? So this is your required term. Now let's compare with the right hand side, which is p cos 2x plus q log sin x plus c. So by comparing them, we will get p is equal to 1, coefficient of cos 2x, and q is equal to also 1, which is coefficient of log sin x. So we can get p plus q as 1 plus 1, or we can say 2. Here's your answer, which is given in option B. Ta-da! Here we have integration x raised to 13 plus x cos x plus 10x raised to 15 plus 1 dot dx, and limit is from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. That means we have symmetric limit. તો આપણે ઓડ ઇવન ચેક કરવાનું. બોલો તો કયો ફંક્શન ઓડ? આ ફંક્શન ઓડ છે કે ઇવન છે? સી first 3 terms of the question,
so the last even numbers
are odd functions. The only last term is even function. Okay, તો odd plus even આપણને કશું મળે નહીં, કંઈ વાંધો નહીં, આપણે ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન આપીએ. Integration of odd function for symmetric figure is 0. We just have to focus on integration of last term, which is even function. અને એમાં બી even function છે એટલે ફાયદો શું? 0 to pi by 2, 2 times. Your I will be 2 times integration of 1, which is x. Limit is from 0 to pi by 2. Substitute the limit and we will get 2 times pi by 2, or we can say pi is your answer, which is given in option C. Ta-da! ભાવે આવું અમુક વાર ટ્રીક લગાવી પડે, બાકી 10x/15 નું ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન તો ક્યાં કરવા જઈશું, એટલો તો ટાઈમ બી ના હોય તમારા એક્ઝામમાં. ઓકે, ચલો મસ્ત ઇન્વર્સ ટ્રિગો ક્વેશ્ચન. Here we have integration 0 to 1 tan inverse of 2x minus 1 upon 1 plus x minus x square. Basically this 2x is split into x plus x minus 1 whole divided by 1 plus, from these two terms we can take x common, so remaining terms will be 1 minus x. तो चेक करो तो tan inverse alpha plus beta upon 1 plus alpha beta में कन्वर्ट થઈ ગયો.
तो माइनस भी कॉमन लेना पड़ेगा.
हाँ एग्जैक्टली, न्यूमरेटर ની અંદર પ્રોબ્લેમ છે. See, we have to take minus common, so this will become 1 minus x. Now it is in the form of tan inverse alpha minus beta upon 1 plus alpha beta, okay, which is simplified as tan inverse alpha minus tan inverse beta. So let's simplify. Here we get tan inverse x minus tan inverse 1 minus x and give individual integration. હવે શું બોલો બોલો?
सब बाय पार्ट्स भी लगा सकते हैं या फिर x इक्वल टू tan थीटा ले सकते हैं.
એટલી બધી મહેનત નહીં કરવાની. See, first term will be as it is. In second term, let's apply the property. X replaced by summation of limit minus x, or we can say 1 minus x. So what will happen? Here we will get tan inverse of 1 minus, instead of x, we have to place 1 minus x. So again your first term will be as it is, and in second term we will get tan inverse of 1 minus 1 plus x, so will become tan inverse x. So these two terms will be cancelled out and your integration will simply 0, which is given in option B. ठीक है सर, क्वेश्चन ज खोटो वाँचो, ऑप्शन ज जोईने आंसर लई गेला. टाडा, સખત ક્વેશ્ચન છે. જો ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન પાવર સ્ટ્રોંગ હોય ને તો જ આ ક્વેશ્ચન થાય. અઘરી વસ્તુ એ છે કે કે લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ ને રાઈટ હેન્ડ સાઈડ બંનેમાં આપ્યું છે, and that is not constant, it is function of x. See, integration of cos inverse x minus 1 minus x square raised to minus 1 by 2 whole into k dot dx is equal to k cos inverse x plus c. We have to find k, which is function of x.
સર બાજુમાં જેનું ડિફરન્શિએશન 1 minus x square raised to minus 1 by 2.
સ્કીમ જ એ છે કે ડિફરન્શિએશન નહીં કરી શકાય ને, કે ફંક્શન છે ને એનું આપણને ખબર છે. આ જ ક્વેશ્ચન રીઅરેન્જ કરીને લખું. સી, ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન cos inverse x પ્લસ minus 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square into k dot dx is equal to k cos inverse x plus c. ઓકે, હજુ બી જે લોકો નહીં ખબર પડી એ લોકો માટે હું નીચે ફોર્મ્યુલા લખી નાખું. ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન એફ એક્સ પ્લસ એફ ડેશ એક્સ e raised to x dot dx is equal to e raised to x fx plus c. Compare करो तो બંને સાઈડ. What should be your k? Your k must be e raised to x, which is given in option B. Ta-da! Integration of tan x upon cos x, sec x minus 1 and sec x minus 2. We have function of sec x, so we need differentiation of sec x in numerator. Sec x નું differentiation થાય શું?
sec x tan x.
Yes, sec x tan x. So we already have tan x. 1 upon cos x is simply sec x. So we will get differentiation of sec x within the multiplication of dx. And a numerator તો છે જ already, sec x minus 1 and sec x minus 2. Okay, so we can easily assume sec x is equal to t and get its differentiation within the multiplication of dx. So your I will be simply dt upon t minus 1 and t minus 2. હવે શું કરીશું, આનું ઇન્ટિગ્રેશન કઈ રીતે કરવાનું?
સર પોલ્યુશન બે ઓલો ફોર્મ આવી જશે x સ્ક્વેર વાળો.
જરાય નહીં, તમે જરાક સરના સ્ટુડન્ટ.
t minus 1
t minus 1 minus t minus 2
નેગેટિવ કરતા
log mod નાનો ટર્મ upon મોટો ટર્મ
હા સર
પ્લસ c. અહીંયા બેઝિકલી ડિફરન્સ ઓફ આ બંને ટર્મ્સ હોય એન્ડ ધેટ ઇઝ 1, એટલે ટેન્શનવાળી વાત છે નહીં. ડાયરેક્ટલી આવી રીતે તમે આન્સર લાવી શકો છો. ઓકે, now to get final answer simply substitute the value of t, which we assume as sec x plus c, which is given in option B. Ta-da! અઘરો દેખાતો easy question. શું કરીશું બોલો?
raised to 2020 को t ले लेंगे.
हाँ,
e raised to x raised to को बोले.
here we have x raised to 2019, e raised to x raised to 2020. Basically this is your inner function, so we have to assume x raised to 2020 is equal to t. Differentiate both the side, will get 2020 x raised to 2019 dot dx is equal to dt. Just move this term on the left side. So it will become dt by 2020. Now let's change your variables. This x raised to 2090 dot dx will become dt upon 2020, and e raised to x raised to 2020 will become e raised to t. So we don't have to worry about this 1 upon 2020, it's a constant. Just integrate e raised to t, which is e raised to t plus c, and to get final answer, substitute the value of t, which is x raised to 2020 plus c. ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट करते वખતે ધ્યાન રાખજો કયો ઓપ્શન આવશે?
D.
હા, બધા સેમ જ લાગે છે. ઓપ્શન ડી ઇઝ યોર આન્સર. ટાડા. 1 upon 1 plus 10x raised to 4.
तो sin x cos x में तो हम कन्वर्ट કરીશું.
હા, હોશિયાર છોકરો. આપણે sin x cos x ના ટર્મ્સમાં કન્વર્ટ કરી નાખવાનું. બાકી 1 upon 10 1 plus 10x raised to 4 તો બહુ અઘરું પડી જાય. 1 plus sin raised to 4x upon cos raised to 4x. Now we will take LCM. This cos x raised to 4 multiply with 1. So we will get cos 4x plus sin 4x whole divided by cos x raised to 4 dot dx, and we know that denominator of denominator will move to the numerator. હવે આ કયું ફોર્મ થઈ ગયું?
sin square x plus cos square x minus 2 and whole square કરીને minus 2
આવો
times.
બાપ રે બાપ, ના 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 આટલી બધી મહેનત નહીં કરવાની બેટા. સિમ્પલી x replaced by summation of limit minus x. So pi by 6 plus pi by 3 is simply pi by 2. So here we'll get cos x raised to 4 pi by 2 minus x upon cos raised to 4 pi by 2 minus x plus same વસ્તુ આપણે સાઇનમાં બી મળશે. Now cos pi by 2 minus x is simply બોલો બોલો
sin raised to 4x.
sin raised to 4x, and cos pi by 2 minus sin pi by 2 minus x is cos x. Okay, તો આ એકદમ ઇઝી રીતે થઈ જશે. This is your equation number 1 and equation number 2. Equation number 1 plus equation number 2. So we'll get 2 times I is equal to integration pi by 6 2 pi by 3 1 dot dx. Integration of 1 is x. હવે આટલી બધી મહેનત કર્યા પછી છે ને આપણે ફોર્મમાં આવી જઈએ. So here we get pi by 3 minus pi by 6. તો pi by 3 minus pi by 6 શું થાય?
Pi by 2.
હા, ધ્યાન રાખજો. અમુક લોકો એન્ટી મેથ્સ લોકો છે ને pi by 3 પૂલ કરી નાખે છે. So your I will be pi by 12, which is given in option B. Ta-da! Another must question. We have integration 0 to 1 0.001 x raised to 1 by 3. Actually હું તમને છે ને ખબર પડે ને એવી રીતે લખું. Within the bracket we have 10 raised to minus 3 x by 3 into e raised to x dot dx. बोलो.
a raised to x वाला फॉर्म हो गया ना?
Yes, a raised to x. But what is a? A important है. 3 will cancel out, and here we'll get 10 raised to minus x e raised to x dot dx. Okay. So if we combine these two terms, we will get 10 raised to minus 1 e whole raised to x. આવું કેમ કર્યું? કેમ કે આપણને કોન્સ્ટન્ટ ટર્મ્સ ભેગા મળી જાય. Here we will get e by 10 whole raised to x. So basically this will become integration of a raised to x dot dx, and its integration is a raised to x upon log a. Okay, plus c. But આપણે જો તો લિમિટ છે એટલે વાંધો નહીં. So here we will get a, which is e by 10 raised to x upon log a, which is e by 10. Limit is from 0 to 1. Now let's apply the limit. From lower limit we will get e by 10 raised to 1 minus lower limit we will get e by 10 whole raised to 0 upon basically here log a by b है, so log a minus log b. So e by 10 raised to 1 is simply e by 10 and whole raised to 0 is become 1 upon log e is 1 minus log 10. To get final answer, just take LCM of 10. So we will get e minus 10 whole divided by 10, and this 1 minus log 10 base e will be as it is. So this is your answer, which is given in option A. Ta-da! It is given that f of a plus b minus x is equal to f of x, and we have to find integration a to b x into f of x dot dx. Now simply replace your x by summation of limit minus x. So here we will get a to b. Instead of x we have to write down a plus b minus x and f of a plus b minus x. Now it is already given that f of a plus b minus x is nothing but f of x. Let's use the condition and this will become f of x. Now multiply with a plus b. We will get integration a to b a plus b into f of x minus multiply with the second term, we will get x into f of x and give individual integration. So in first term a plus b is constant, take it outside, just focus on integration of f of x. And your second term is your original question I. So I plus I will become 2i, or we can say I will be 2i, and your first term will be remain as it is. And to get final answer, just move this 2 on the right side. So we will get a plus b by 2 integration f of x from a to b, which is given in option A. Ta-da!